Well, what you gonna do, Mr. Possum? Go ahead and steal my egg. We all see you. You might as well eat it. Hello, chickens. That possum come knocking on the door. There he is. Hello, Mr. Possum. Or Mrs. Might as well take an egg. What's it gonna matter? Hello, little possum. Possum come knocking. Possum come knocking. Is the egg good? I certainly hope so. Sure you've cracked it. And you've got these chickens all in a fit. There's the chickens. And there's the possum. Perfect ending to a perfect day. Hello, Mr. Possum. You think I'm your friend, don't you? I realize that. You're not even scared of me, are you?